Imagine with me that after working hard to produce your first YouTube Shorts clip, you finally uploaded the clip at 12 o'clock. She goes to sleep in the hope that the video will succeed in spreading after all these failed attempts. And when you wake up excited, did my video succeed? Did it go viral? I am shocked by the painful reality, which is only hundreds of views. Well, I know that you have become desperate for YouTube Shorts, and perhaps you are thinking about ending this career. Therefore, I ask you, if you really have a dream to achieve success in YouTube Shorts and get out of the 100 view cycle, to listen to this video because it will change everything. Well, it looks like you are going to watch the video, so it seems that you really want to get out of this circle. So in the beginning, I will show you some of the problems that you can commit and make your videos get views ranging from 0 to 100 views, and I will also give you solutions to these problems. The first problem is that perhaps you tried publishing a TikTok or Instagram video on YouTube Shorts, and this is completely wrong because it is classified as stealing content, and YouTube previously allowed this, but now YouTube rejects this content and can even ban the video from appearing in the short feed. Now, the solution to this is that if you are going to use clips from Instagram or TikTok, make sure that there is no watermark by taking the link to the clip and downloading it through an external site. You add a caption to the video, put a voiceover explaining the clip, and also put arrows and circles to attract the viewer's attention. But if you try this method and you will not get views either, then I advise you to change your niche if the niche is based on external videos from TikTok or Instagram. This leads us to the second mistake that you may be making. If you are in a field such as football, you are trying to use footage from football matches and modify it. Let me explain to you what is the mistake here. When a channel like beIN Sports publishes an important new match, such as the Euro 2024 final, they spend millions of dollars on these settings, so they will not easily let you take the match and modify it. The solution to this problem is to take different clips from more than one different match and try as much as possible to put CC filters that make the clip quality look like 4K, and also put many filters and transitions in order to evade copywriting. These are examples on the screen of many of the shorts. He posted it after the YouTube Shorts updates and they did not take copyright, so you should try to imitate these clips. Now, if you are sure that the problem is not in your videos, if you are sure that the problem is not in the copyright, then there are two other most important factors, such as the swipe rate and retention. Let me simplify the topic for you if you are a beginner in YouTube. In short, the swipe rate is the number of people who scrolled your video by percentage, meaning if YouTube showed your video to 100 people and 60 people scrolled the video, this means 60% of the spread rate. Watch your clip. A good percentage of people who skip your video is 30% or 20%, meaning that it is preferable that 70% or 80% of people watch your clip. And the retention rate is the viewing percentage of your clip, meaning that the viewer can see half of your clip. This means that your retention is 50%, and the retention rate in the shorts is preferable to be more than 90%, as the shorts clip can only be 25 seconds. Therefore, you must achieve a good retention rate, and if your short clip is less than 15 seconds, your retention must exceed 100%, meaning that he watched your clip again because he liked it. Now, we return to the problem. Perhaps your swipe rate is bad, such as 50% of people skipping your video. Or perhaps your retention is bad, such as it is only 70%. This is a clear sign that your video has failed at the point. The solution to this problem is to examine your videos, and there are factors that you must check, such as, is the idea really good? Maybe you think the idea is good and attractive, but it's not. Therefore, I am looking for a video idea by searching for current trends. For example, in the field of football, there is a buzz around Lamine Yamal because he is 17 years old and plays in the Spanish national team and has achieved great success. So you can make a video about him and how he grew up. The second factor is my video script really good? To create a good script, I want you to stay away from ChatGPT. Yes, it is good, but it is better to watch competitors' videos and create similar scripts yourself. The most important thing is your hook, as it will attract the viewer. For example, If you are going to make a video about Lamine Yamal, say at the beginning of the video, Lamine Yamal is better than Cristiano Ronaldo. This will attract viewers because most football fans love Cristiano Ronaldo and are very fanatical, so they will watch the video in anger for that. You must complete your script, correct the information, and say in the video that people say that Lamine Yamal will become better than Cristiano, and this is wrong, and complete your script. In this way, you will attract the attention of the viewers, and in the end, tell them to give you their opinion. Will he really destroy Cristiano Ronaldo's career? In this way, people will comment biased towards Cristiano Ronaldo, and in this way, you will get comments. See, it's that simple. Just provoke people. Now I will give you some tips that you can apply, and they will save you hours of pain in your YouTube career. You must realize that YouTube Shorts are not as easy as people make them out to be. You start today, and after a month, the terms of the YouTube partnership will apply. This is a mistake in the beginning. You will stumble and find many difficulties, so you must resist and continue publishing daily until you actually succeed. If you choose a niche, you must complete it. Do not pay attention to the magic niches that people claim on YouTube, and do not seek quick success. And that's all for today. You must now apply these steps, and I promise you improved results. Therefore, if you benefit from this site, subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this, and I will see you later.